Skylar. What? Oh, come on. You just had a signal. There are other ways to handle this. Damn it! Skylar, where are you?
Due to the severe blizzard north of Landview, driving conditions are extremely hazardous.
Roads on Lantano Mountain are impassable with visibility near zero. Route 217 has been completely shut down.
And Brody said Lawrence is heading up Lantano Mountain.
The connection was bad, but that I got.
All right, well, we got a lot of ground to cover. He could be holed up anywhere. One of these campsites, the mining shaft, the old army base.
What army base?
Well, it's not on the map, but when I was a cadet, we caught some kids trying to break into the observatory.
Wait, I think that's what Brody said, something about the observatory.
Okay, well, that's a good place to start. Oh, man, it's really coming down.
Yeah, well, if Nurse Ratchet can get up through this mess, so can we. Which way, amigo?
Well, there's only one way.
Let me guess, Route 217? I know there's a convenience store up ahead. If you want me to drop you off, I completely understand.
Why would I want you to do that?
Well, you know, it's not like it's your baby we need to rescue.
Where's Stacy? Heard she's having the baby like a month early.
It was a false labor.
Bet it was. Figure make it look good so Rex won't figure out the baby's not
Look,
his.
I'm not in the mood for your crap right now.
So why do I have to put up with yours then, Kim?
Just let me get out of here. I have to go. Stacy's been kidnapped.
What? What? You mean Mitch Lawrence got to her?
We think so. Who else would have done it?
And I blame that psycho nurse waiting out in there in the shadows for us so she could snatch Stacy away.
Yeah, right after we worked so hard to kidnap her ourselves.
Oh, no. Well, what if she's already gotten Stacy to Mitch? What if she's told him that I tried to double-cross him?
Dorian will get there.
Yes, but what if we're too late? Oh, my poor girl.
Whoa.
What?
That light, that's gotta be Vicky's cabin.
No, we are not going to Vicky's cabin.
Then why the hell not? She might be there.
And what are we going to say to her? We just happened to be stopping by before we went to kill Mitch?
Well, thanks a whole bunch.
Did you get anywhere with Lowell?
Of course not. Lip service, that's all. Oh, yeah, we're sending men out to look for Jessica. This is after that man had the audacity to ask me if I knew that John and Brody were planning an escape.
He doesn't know that Natalie's with him, does he?
That man wouldn't know his...
I'll get it.
Hey, where's my sister? She here?
Hello to you, too.
Todd?
Hey, Lois told me you were here.
Is everything all right?
I think I know what Mitch wants with Jessica.
Father, I don't understand. Is this girl's baby going to be mine? Am I going to be a mother, as you promised?
He told you you could be my baby's mother.
Silence!
I'm telling you the truth. You have to believe me. This is not your grandchild. It's not Rex's baby.
Stacy Marasco. Unfortunately, not even I could have fabricated such a tale. Yes, I believe you. There's Charles. Do you believe this harlot is telling the truth?
I believe what you believe, Messenger. But her story agrees with my examination.
So this baby is not the new Messiah. He is not the hope of my flock. He was not sent to me by God. He is nothing to me.
I said I was sorry. I just wanted your son to love me.
Rex, you hired me to protect Stacy.
This didn't happen on your watch.
Yeah, I still want to make sure that she and the baby are okay.
Thanks. It means a lot to me that you care so much about my baby.
Wasn't Oliver guarding Stacy or Rex?
I have to go.
How did Mitch Lawrence get to her?
It was a mistake, okay?
Will you at least tell me where Oliver is?
He's with Rex. They went to find Stacy.
Hey, what's up?
I just found out.
What?
I heard you're looking for Stacy. You okay?
Yeah, well, we're gonna find her. Brody gave us a good lead. We're heading up Lantano Mountain now.
In this weather?
Don't worry, we'll be fine.
Come on, man. This has gotten way out of hand. First, Stacy comes here pretending to be in labor. Now Mitch kidnaps her because he thinks it's his grandchild?
I know. It's crazy.
You gotta tell Rex the truth.
Yeah, what about you?
Don't worry about that, okay? Just do the right thing like you always do. You have to tell Rex this baby might be yours, and if it's not, then it's Skylar's. Signal, come on! Come on! Damn it! Okay.
Okay, Skylar, when I count to 3, you're gonna walk through that door. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then.
Right now, I don't care if Vicky does find out what we're doing.
Oh, you don't care if she finds out that you're conspiring with me to assassinate Mitch?
Dorian, Mitch's crazy nurse just caused a huge accident. Now, we walked away from that just fine. But the car is down in the ravine. There are people there who need help. And look at you, yourself. You can barely walk.
I'm fine. Just fine, okay? We have got to find the crazy nurse and Stacy.
Look, we are going to Vicky's cabin. And if we have to tell her everything, then we just have to do it.
And do you really think she's going to let us waltz out so we can take care of Mitch?
Dorian.
My girls are in danger! We've got to save them! We've got to stop Mitch!
You know, John and Brody and Natalie are out looking for Jessica right now.
Yeah, not like Lola would do it.
How do you know what Mitch wants with her?
He came by my place the other day and tried to threat me into convincing Jessica to accept him as her father.
Using what as leverage?
He knows I want the same thing for my daughter, Danny.
Well, I mean, what did he want? Some kind of trade?
Yeah, I told him to go to hell.
If only he would.
Yeah, but what I should have done is warn you, and I didn't. But I was too busy with my own crap to make sure Jessica was safe.
Well, it's not your fault.
Sure it is. What I should have done is kill him.
That we can agree on. If he was dead, Jessica would be here with us and not God knows where.
No, you do not kill people. Killing Mitch is not the answer.
What's the answer then?